kabayatan na ni Gobernador Cecilia Araneta Marcos imatendar the third centennial year celebration iti Santa Monica Parish Church. Talugasot at awen na napo tinaglabas na ipatakder dito simbaan ti Sarat. Dinggen teman dati na nakamata report iti damag lokal ni Idol Lauren.
IFM News. IFM News. IFM News. Lokal.
Inatendaran ni Governor Cecilia Araneta Marcos si Provincial Government of Ilocos Norte ti third centennial year celebration ti Santa Monica Parish Church ili ti Sarat. Kuna ti Gobernadora asaan nga asi ti mang celebrar ti may katalo gasot nga anibersaryo iti lugar kang runaan na ket daytoy iti balay ti Apo. Imbatad na nga iti panagwaywayas ti panawen ket ti namagtalinayad ket iti amin ket ti pamati ken ni Apo Dios nga agbayag ingana ket ingana.
Really, this is something to be celebrated. I have never heard of a third centennial year yet, and this is the first time. And so as I was coming over to Sarat, I was thinking how it must have been 300 years ago. And so can you imagine someone from 300 years ago to make the journey to today and see all these things. But in everything, I think the best message that there is how the body of Christ has grown. Truly, this is something to be celebrated, that truly 300 years ago till now, the body of Christ and the evangelization of the gospel of Jesus Christ has really grown by leaps and bounds by the presence of all of you that are here. So indeed, may we celebrate this third centennial year, and as the Inati Provincia, I truly am with you as we celebrate the 300 years of Santa Monica Church.
Malaksin iti dayta ket tampok di selebrasyon di panang ipresentar ti Santa Monica Parish Church iti publiko ti Museo Parroquial de Santa Monica ken ti commemorative plaque ang mangipakita ti kindalged ken ti pakasaritaan ang maysa ti Santa Monica Parish Church.
May nagiti ito'y kata impasigurado mo tinailian na polisya iti ili ti Sarat iti seguridad dagiti amin ang nagipagpaset iti daytoy a selebrasyon para iti IFM News. Idol Lawrence Martinez, Tatak, Aremen.